Hey there, garden lovers. Did you know that adding fresh herbs to your summer dishes can not only elevate the flavor but also boost your health? Yep. Herbs are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and can even aid digestion. So, let's dive into the world of summer gardening and discover how you can grow your own flavorful herbs right in your yard. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking all about summer gardening, specifically focusing on the benefits of growing your own herbs. Imagine stepping outside and picking fresh basil for your pasta or mint for your refreshing summer tea. Not only does it taste amazing, but it also saves you money and gives you that satisfaction of growing your own food. Plus, it's a great way to connect with nature. Now, let's talk about some challenges many gardeners face when selecting the right herbs for the summer. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to figure out which herbs will thrive in the heat. You might worry about pests, watering needs, or even how to keep them healthy during those scorching summer days. And if you're a beginner, you might even wonder where to start. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some easy tips to help you choose the best herbs for your garden this summer. So, let's explore the top herbs that thrive in summer. First up, we have basil. This fragrant herb loves the warm weather and can be used in a variety of dishes, from pesto to salads. For a successful basil plant, make sure it gets plenty of sunlight and water it regularly. Next is mint, which is super easy, so it's best planted in a container. It's perfect for drinks, desserts, and even savory dishes. And don't forget about rosemary. This hardy herb is drought resistant, making it ideal for those hotter days. Just give it well-drained soil, and you'll have a robust plant in no time. Each of these herbs brings its own unique flavor and scent to your garden, making them must-haves for summer gardening. Now, let's get to the exciting part. I want to share a little success story with you. Last summer, I decided to experiment with my basil and created this incredible caprese salad using fresh tomatoes, mozzarella, and, of course, my homegrown basil. I drizzled it with a balsamic reduction, and let me tell you, it was a hit. Everyone loved it, and I felt so proud knowing that I grew the basil myself. It made the experience even more special. So, if you're looking for a simple yet delicious recipe to showcase your summer herbs, definitely give that one a try. To wrap things up, we've talked about some fantastic herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary that are perfect for your summer garden. Growing these herbs not only enhances your cooking but also brings a sense of joy and accomplishment to your gardening journey. So, grab your gardening gloves, and let's get planting. Alright, now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite herbs to grow during the summer? Drop your answers in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my previous videos for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!